Minister, one word to Europe. I'm from Germany. What means this day today for the European or for the worldwide aviation industry?
See, India is at a stage where anything happens in the country, the impact is across the world. And we have a lot of strong partnerships for civil aviation with Europe, with France, with UK, and especially if I can take the example of Airbus. Airbus has a lot of strong footprint in the country itself. So if aviation is growing here, I think the benefits are going to be observed in Europe also. And we want to take that partnership forward in terms of establishing a stronger manufacturing ecosystem in the country. So that is very important for us in the Indo-Europe relations. We see the demand that is going to generate here. The world is also looking to India on how to partner with India today. So our growth picture is not only to see how India is growing on its own, but we have the picture is that how do we have the world also partner with us in terms of operations, in terms of airport development, and in our skilling and training also. We feel in skilling and training, the European regulators and all have a lot of contribution. We have strong partnership with them. So that is where we want to stress about.
So we can learn a lot of you.
Yes,
It's
going to be complementation. We learn from you and you learn from us.
So we see us at Indy Airport this year?
Yes.
Thank you.